Uh, Welcome guys to my part 2 channel. So I'm drinking coffee. Hmm. This is my room. It's kinda good, guys. Okay. I'm scared. And I like that I can control electricity. Yes. Coffee, guys. Whoa. Coffee. So hot. Wait. Cool off this. Yes, cool. E. So playing games. I'll playing games streaming next tomorrow. Yes. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Make it just make it myself. Cause I have not. Cause I have like the other part broke. Sorry guys, I'm not good enough for speaking English. I'll learn. I'll learn to speaking English because I'm from Filipino. Yes. Oh, okay. Yes. Sorry for wasting your time for my video. I will end this video, guys. Bye. I got it.